who really needs ventilated seats? For people who don't sweat, this is definitely not useful. This is not for them actually. For people who are sweating more. So let's say you are running in an AC, and then if you are using this ventilated seats, right, it doesn't feel you much heat on your back since it matches the temperature. While driving for long hours, if you are not feeling anything, if you are not sweating by using this, then the product is working actually. So this doesn't cool your back. Instead, it will not make your back sweat. That's the important thing. People tend to confuse the functionality of how the ventilated seats works. You can literally get this and attach to any car. So the below attachment is pretty simple. You have to attach this hook to a pulley where your seat belongs. So you can see how the strap on the upper part which is attached here. So moreover, there are cooling fans which goes on your lower thighs as well as your lower back, actually not on the upper back. So connection is pretty simple. It's directly connected to a cigarette lighter. This will actually change your driving dynamics. It will make you feel like you are sitting a little bit higher. If you are comparing it with uncomfortable situation by sweating your back, right, seating adjustment, height adjustment should be fine. I'm not sure what material they have used, but it's actually doing the job. So there are two settings on how the fan runs. 0 is off, 1 is speed 1 and 2 is speed 2, which will cool fast, or you can say which will have more air on your fan. So if you're already using these wooden seat bits, you'll probably find this very familiar. The seating height is almost comparable. Back is sweating a lot. This will definitely solve your problem to a certain extent, especially on long rides.